Hope you are doing great. This is Lydian from commerceuni.com, and this is part 2 of Magento installation with Warden. From the first part, we ran the Composer Create project and we decided to download the Magento file to the temporary folder. So, we are using a temporary folder because our current Magento root directory is not empty. Now, it's time to copy Magento files under our Magento root directory. I'm going to use the rsync command, same as used in this example, for copying these files. Let's start out. Copying, open terminal, pasting here, and the files are copying. So all the files have been copied. Let's run an ls. So we see all the files here. This is the command to delete the temporary folder. We can delete this temporary folder, or this temporary folder can be deleted automatically after we restart the Docker. I'm leaving for now. The next step is to install Magento. The only option to install Magento is the command line. Adobe team decided to not support installing Magento from the browser. The command for installing Magento locally is bin magento setup install, and the values being provided in this example. Quick note, the search engine and Elasticsearch are not supported from Magento 2.3. So in older version, this parameter can be omitted and Elasticsearch can be configured via command line with the config set command. Let me copy this command, paste under Magento root, and press enter. Now we are installing Magento command line. This will take a while, and let's look at the other commands here and see what they do. In these commands, they set the Magento base URL, this one here. They are enabling the secure in the front end and in the admin HTML, and they are enabling the rewrites for the improving SEO. We will run these commands after Magento installation finished. So Magento installation finished. Now it's time to configure the application. I'll copy all of these and hopefully they will work, and I'm pasting here. All of the commands are running one by one. Looks like we are missing a quote here. Let me cancel this with Ctrl and C. I will run the commands one by one. I'm copying this command, I'm pasting here, and still looks like something is not working. What can I do is I will go up with the, and I will remove the space, and let's see if it will work. So yeah, it worked. I will copy this as well. So basically we have to paste, and yeah, this one is working as well. Let me copy this one. Okay, I think this should work if I copy. Probably something is missing here in that, or that command has not been set properly. I'm pasting the other commands and hopefully they will work. Yeah, they're working. Okay. And full index is running based on that one. And full cache clean is running. And the next step is to generate an admin user. But for now, let's take a look at the Magento frontend as our Magento installation has finished. So, to launch the application in your browser, these are the commands for this project on the documentation, which is, this is the domain, but our domain is different. So to check our domain, we can do cat.env, and our domain is magento2. So our domain should be app.magento2.test. app.magento2.test. And okay, looks like the SSL has not been created properly, but we can create an SSL again for our Magento2 test. But for now, we can proceed as unsafe. And here, there are some other URLs. This is the admin URL. This is the RabbitMQ URL. But instead of example project, we have to set Magento2. And this is the Elasticsearch URL. We can visit this as well. So here we are. Magento installation has been installed successfully. We can browse through website, so we can sign in. We can create an account, or we can subscribe. info@commerceuni.com. Subscribe. Okay, thank you for the subscription. Luma theme. And if you see everything working correctly, and the Magento is fast. So the next step is to create the admin user. To create the admin user, you just have to run this command, or you have to copy all of these commands and run one by one. We can try to run them now. I'm copying this command and I'm pasting on the terminal. So we are setting a value to this admin pass variable. So to see the value of this variable, we can do echo $, and we see this is the value, which is the password, and admin user. We can do set admin user. Now I'm trying to create the user. Let's see if it will work. Copying, pasting here. Okay, the user located admin, and the password is this one here. So it looks like the password is the same as this one, local admin and the password. I will give it a try if I can be logged in without configuring 2FA, which is the two-factor authenticator. I'll go to the backend, which is the URL for the backend as it explained here, /backend. Let's see. Okay, here is the Magento admin. From the terminal, this is the local admin user. I can copy this and I can paste here. And this is the password. I can copy and I can paste here. Let's see if it will work. Okay. You need to configure two-factor authorization in order to proceed to your store's admin area. So an email was sent to you for the instruction. So an email has been sent to this email here, and we can see the emails using Mailhog. I don't know if it will work now, the Mailhog. Okay, going advanced. Let's see. Probably there is another name for the mail hog. But let's try to configure the two FA. I'm copying those two commands and I'll run them on the terminal. First one, the second one. Both of them run successfully. Now I'm going to run these two commands and again, here we are. Some two-factor authenticator codes has been created. Now it's time to run this command and hopefully it will work. So let's refresh this page. Okay, the authenticator has already configured for this user. I think I have to go to the backend again, and now it says authenticator code. I already generated some codes here. I can copy this one and I can paste here and hopefully it will work. That one didn't work. Hopefully another one will work. And nope. I can go log out. I can try to log in again. Okay, I will try again the code. So looks like this code are not working, but for development purposes we can disable this 2FA authenticator. What we can do to find this 2FA authenticator, we have to run bin Magento module status and we can see all the modules. Now we can search for two-factor auth. We can copy this and we can disable this module. Module disable and the module name. Okay, mistake on the module word. So the module has been disabled successfully. Just a quick note, please do not run this command without a parameter, because this command will disable all the modules. So please be careful. Now it's time to run the bin Magento setup upgrade. It's suggested to run setup decompile, but I think setup upgrade it's fine for now. Waiting for the setup upgrade. Our user password, I think I missed it, but what can I do? I have to echo this after this finish. Echo. Okay, there is no password. Let me run this again and echo. So I think I'm missing a $sign and new password has been generated. But anyway, I can try to create a new user. Hopefully, wait, I think local admin 1 because, and now I have to run this command again. To create new user because I forgot the other password. I'm copying this password now, or here we are. This is my username and I'm trying to log in the admin backend area. Oh, as we see, we are logged in now. to the other user, because we disabled the two factory authenticator module and we are ready to start the development of the app. Now it's up to you if you want to allow the data collection for the Adobe. So here we are, product, sales, customer, and this is the Magento backend, and the project is ready to start for developing, or up to you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question. I'll try to look all the comments. Thank you guys, stay safe. Thank you.